stuck because this week we are talking about outer space. Now, there's a lot to talk about with outer space. What kinds of things do you see? What kinds of things do you know about outer space? We're going to talk all about it when we have our Zoom meetings. But today, the video that I have for you is going to show you the activities for our week. And these activities, you get to try at home because the teachers and I have made packets for you to take home and try these activities at home. So, let's get started with the first one.
Okay, so what you're going to do is take the black piece of paper and the strip of star stickers and peel off the stickers to put them all over your black paper. Okay, now you're going to take the yellow chalk and connect your stars together. So you take your one star, kind of like connect the dots. Connect them until they all touch. This is what makes the constellation shape, and it's going to be any shape you want.
How did that go? I can't wait to see what your constellations look like. But I want to show you mine after I finished it, and I decided to give it a name. So this is my constellation with my stars and my lines to connect them all together. And when I started looking at it, I think when I turned it this way, or actually when I turned it this way, I just started thinking of a dinosaur. Maybe because we talked about dinosaurs last week with Miss Sandy and Miss Celeste. But I started thinking about dinosaurs, so I decided, oh, and this way too, I don't know. I just thought it kind of reminds me of a T-Rex. So I named my constellation T-Rex. Now, you can name whichever your constellation, you can name it anything you'd like. And when it's time, I will remind you on our Zoom meetings to bring your paper with your constellation and we could talk about it there. Okay, now let's try the next one.
Okay, you're going to take your circle shape in your packet. That's going to be your planet shape. You can take some paint or markers, whatever you want to use to color it. I'm using these colors for paint, green, blue, and brown, to make my planet, and I'm using a sponge to paint with.
Did you try it? I hope you tried it. Here's my planet. I wonder if you could guess what planet do you think I might have been making? If you said planet Earth, you were right. I was trying to make planet Earth. I know that these are the colors that planet Earth has, and if you didn't already know, that is where we live, on planet Earth right now. And planet Earth has the water, which is all the blue, and it has the land, which is the green and the brown, the trees and the land that we live on and the dirt. That's all this part. And all of the rest of the planet is covered in water, the oceans. And we'll talk more about planet Earth during Zoom too. All right, let's get on with the next activity.
To start this activity, you need an empty water bottle and fill the bottle just a little bit with white vinegar. I'm using a funnel to pour the vinegar in. You don't have to fill the bottle, just maybe about a 1/4 cup. Next, I take the funnel and the balloon that is in your packet. You're going to take your balloon and add it to the bottom of a funnel. If you don't have a funnel, that's okay. You can use your hands to, or have someone help you pour in the baking soda into the balloon. This just helps it get in there faster. See, it all went in. We shook it and it went into the balloon. Okay, now the next step is to put the balloon, attach it to the top of the bottle, and slowly lift the balloon to pour in the baking soda. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. The balloon is rising from all of that pressure from baking soda mixing with the vinegar. Wow. Here it goes again. It's gonna get larger. Oh, it's still growing. Wow. It got bigger, filled with more air because more baking soda mixed in with the vinegar. There it goes. It's as filled up as it can be.
How did that go? The thought about planning that activity was thinking about a rocket. How when a rocket takes off into space, you count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. And sometimes when trying that experiment with the balloon and the baking soda and vinegar, that the pressure that comes in the bottle and the air that starts to make that balloon rise can send it off like a rocket. I just didn't add as much baking soda to my vinegar to make the balloon pop off. But if you want to try that, and whoever wants to work with you wants to try that, I think you should do it if it's safe. That is completely up to your mom or dad or family who is going to work with you on that, because that's definitely something you need family to help you with. Okay, let's move on to our next one.
Okay, to start this activity, you need another empty water bottle, and you're going to fill that bottle halfway with warm water. It has to be warm. You can choose a bigger bottle than the rocket bottle because you're going to need the space. Next, you're going to take the glue bottle that was in your bag, and you're going to pour the bottle, the clear glue, that's what it says, clear glue, all the way into the bottle. Just pour it all in there and make sure you leave a little bit of room at the top of the bottle to mix in the rest of the ingredients. There it all goes. Just gonna squeeze it all out. There it is. Next, I'm going to add a drop of blue color, food coloring, to give the bottle a little bit of blue. And now it's time for the glitter and confetti. I have some stars in here. I'm gonna pour those inside. These are the stars that you have in your bag. I'm gonna add a few circles, shiny circles, sequins. I'm gonna mix those in there. And last, I'm gonna add some glitter, some sparkly glitter. I'm gonna pour those inside the bottle also. There goes one. Oops, I've got to take off the top because it wasn't letting me pour it in. There we go. Pour it all in. And then a little bit of the other. You can see the stars are starting to fall down. When that's all done, you put the top on very, very tight and shake it up. There's the bottle with the top on, and I'm gonna shake it up. Oh, wow. You gotta shake it really well so that all of the glitter and the stars and the circles can come down. Wow. Here they are a little bit closer, the pieces, and the glitter too. I love it. I'm gonna turn it upside down just to see how it works one more time. Oh, I love it. So sparkly. Just like our stars in the sky.
What did you think of that one? I hope you tried that one too. Here's my bottle. I'll show it to you one more time. Oh, I love it. I love the sparkle in it and all the falling stars. And these sparklies right here, we could pretend they're planets. And all the shooting stars and all the sparkles. Just like the night sky where we live. If we are in our front yards or backyards and there's not a lot of light around us and we look up, we can see so many stars. It is so cool. I hope you had a chance to make them. Make your galaxy bottle. Okay, I have one more thing to show you, and this item, this part of your packet, is for something we're gonna do together. It's Space Bingo. Remember when we played bingo with numbers before? Miss Yasmin had passed out a bingo sheet that had numbers and we had to show you the number, and if you matched your card, you put a little circle or shape on it to cover it. That's what this is, but it's Space Bingo. So we're gonna have things that talk about space, like the planets, Mercury, that's this planet. Down here is the sun. And over here, it's a little astronaut. You're gonna get one of these also. They're gonna be different. Everybody's gonna get a different one. And we will play that Space Bingo game on Friday. And that's it. That's the end of our video. I really hope you had fun trying these activities out. You don't have to do them all in one day. You can space them out, maybe once a day. And you can always tell, we're gonna talk about it on our Zoom, and you can take a picture and send it on Class Dojo too. Okay, that's the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun, and I will see you on our next Zoom class. Bye, everybody.